In this video, I'll show you how to install APKs on your own 4K streaming device. So let's get started right away. First step is to put the TV in developer mode because usually it does not allow you to do this. So take the remote control, press the settings button here, and then we need to go on the top right corner where you see all settings. Select all settings, go down, select system, then go and select about, lower this menu until you see Android TV OS build. You're gonna have to take the remote control and press the middle button here 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm not doing it because I already did it in the past, and this will enable developer mode. You're gonna get a small message appearing quickly here. If you go back and down, you should see developer options and it should be turned on because you just did this. Now go back on the home screen. You're gonna select apps over here. Go down and select where you see the search bar. And you need to select you need to type, SEND space files. Okay, once you type send files, you can press the search button.
Results for send files.
And it's the first option right over here that you need to click on. Click install. And this app, what allows you is to send APK files that you have downloaded on your phone directly on your TV. It's much easier than trying to download those files on your TV since we don't have a keyboard, and browsing with this remote control, honestly, it's not really great. With your phone, it's much more easier. So open the app. They even have a desktop app. I didn't even know. I was using my phone. So you can download this on your PC or Mac or even Linux. There was a link over there. If you have a smartphone, you'll need obviously to download the app. They just ask you there, press allow. And we need to do whatever they're saying over here. So we need to press allow, select permission, and then select storage. So go down, select permission, select files and media app or storage. And then you need to select allow management of all files. Click on this, click allow. And now we can go back to the app. Now, when you press receive, it will be ready to receive the APK files from your phone or from your desktop. Again, they showed you when setting up this app, which app you need to download on your phone. And if you had a PC, you need to go on the link they showed you over there to download their software. So once you send the file from your device, it will appear over here and you'll be able to click on it, launch it, and install it on your own 4K streaming device. If this was helpful, leave a like, but comment also down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.